Hi everyone, I really like Noel Dyzel. He produces good content and I like most of his content. But this video of him, he got some things severely wrong. Now, let me introduce myself first so you know where I am coming from. I am a medical student and I am in my fourth year. I started going to gym in 2019 and I saw good gains. I enjoy gym a lot and I enjoy the pain. It's addicting, and in 2020, even though the gyms were closed, I did work out almost regularly in my home without any equipment. Now I think working out, exercise, bodybuilding is great for you, as you can not only move your body, your increase your muscle size, you also fix your diet. I started gym when I was sad, not because of my body, but because of some other things. My BMI was very low. It was around like 16.5 and now it is 22. For me, gym is what I do for relaxation after my study. It makes me relaxed, it makes me happy. Now he says that everybody's body tell her story about their mindset and tell their story. And he is completely wrong. He is saying that if you have a bad body, it means that you are lazy and you don't do hard work, which is completely wrong. Bodybuilding, I personally think, is not hard. It doesn't take a lot of time, though it is a lifestyle, but it doesn't take a lot of time. Now, many people do way harder work. There are people, they work hard to keep food on the table and do multiple jobs, and they don't have time for themselves. They don't have the time for the lifestyle the bodybuilders follow. They can build the body and they got no time for that. No time at all. Personally, I have much more respect for a person that works for their family, put food on their family, put their family above everything, and do everything he can and work hard. Bodybuilding is what you do for yourself. You are not doing any good for the world. You are doing it for yourself. It is good for you. You should do bodybuilding. It is good for you. You should do exercise. It is good for you. But you are not doing anything good for the world. I have much more respect for a doctor, for an engineer, than a bodybuilder, because you are just simply doing for yourself. Also, he's forgetting something called genetics. Most people have terrible genetics. Most people. In bodybuilding, not everyone get develop a good body. And not everyone have a body like Noel Dyzel or any model that is in this end of this video. No model.
You can tell a lot about their lifestyle, their mindset, and even their identity. Everyone's body tells a story. When you walk into a room of complete strangers, they will respect you.
Okay. Now, I have a problem with that too. As I mentioned above that I am a medical student, I know the effects of hormone and drugs. As I said above, bodybuilding is rewarding, it's addicting. Once you get hooked to it, you try to do everything to keep getting the gains. You will obviously have newbie gains in the first year, then you will start having slow down. You don't want it to slow down, you want it to increase. You will take protein powders, you will take creatine, you will take BSA, and a lot of supplements out there. Are a lot of supplements out there, and even that doesn't work. That doesn't have the pace that you want. You try abusing PEDs. It's an addiction, and you should never take this addiction too far, because PEDs are really dangerous. I'm a medical student. I know the effects of hormone and drugs, and PEDs are dangerous. You should never touch them under any condition. Now, if a person like Noel Dyzel comes in the room of strangers, I'm pretty sure the stranger won't say, yeah, he's the pinnacle of hard work and this and that. They will only say he abused steroids. That's a fact. I think you can develop a body like Noel Diesel if you work hard enough. But most people think that's a result of steroid, and even Noel Diesel admit that he did steroids. So, in conclusion, I say bodybuilding is for yourself. You should not seek respect because of your bodybuilding. You should have a separate entity, separate thing that you do for the others, do for the world. I don't think people should and will respect you for taking care of yourself. That doesn't make any sense. So, at the end, I will say that exercise and bodybuilding is not hard. It's addicting, it's rewarding, and at the end, you should never take your addiction too far.